Atiku Abubakar stripped of his Waziri Adamawa title. Welcome country people to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment and share our videos. The Adamawa State Governor Ahmadu Umaru Fintiri don strip former Vice President Atiku Abubakar of im revered traditional title of Waziri Adamawa, and this directive also affect other prominent title holders. Although the official reason wey government give na say Atiku Abubakar no be indigene of Adamawa, but the decision people believe say e dey come from the quarrel wey in dey between the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar and the Governor Umaru Fintiri. Atiku removal, they believe say na calculated move to weaken im political influence for the state. Una go recall say this issue of Atiku not being a Nigerian, e don come up for 2021 when the federal government during Muhammadu Buhari time e take Atiku go court. You go recall say the then Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami SAN, he come tell the Federal Court for Abuja say the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar e no dey constitutionally eligible to vie for presidency. The AGF come tell the court say Atiku no be Nigerian by birth. He say the former Vice President hometown na Jada, na formerly a part of northern Cameroon, come acquire Nigerian citizenship because of the plebiscite wey they hold for 1961. Malami come argue that time say because they not born am a Nigerian and he not get Nigerian parents, then he not meet the provision of the Nigerian Constitution